Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study For You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
Women's rights in India. India provides a comprehensive framework of rights aimed at ensuring the protection, equality, and empowerment of women across various aspects of life. These rights can be broadly classified into constitutional rights, civil rights, economic rights, social and cultural rights, political rights, and reproductive rights. 1. Constitutional rights. The Constitution of India guarantees several key rights that promote gender equality and protect women's welfare. Article 14. Right to equality, ensures equal treatment and protection under the law for women. Article 15. 1. Prohibition of discrimination, bans discrimination based on sex, promoting gender equality. Article 15. 3. Protective discrimination, allows the state to make special provisions for women and children. Article 16. Equal opportunity in employment, ensures equal employment opportunities for women in public service. Article 21. Right to life and personal liberty, protects women from exploitation, trafficking, and violence. Article 39. Equal pay for equal work, ensures that women receive equal remuneration for equal work. Article 42. Provision for maternity relief, provides maternity benefits and protects women's health at work. Article 51. Renunciation of practices derogatory to women, encourages respect for women's dignity. 2. Civil rights. Civil rights ensure that women are entitled to basic freedoms and protection under the law. Equality before the law. Women have equal rights to legal protection and recourse. Right to freedom of speech and expression. Article 19 ensures women can express their opinions freely. Right to privacy. Women are entitled to privacy, including decisions about personal and reproductive lives. Protection against arbitrary arrest and torture. Women are safeguarded against unjust detention and any form of physical, mental, or sexual abuse. 3. Economic rights. Economic rights empower women to achieve financial independence and equal opportunities in the workforce. Equal Remuneration Act, 1976, ensures equal pay for men and women doing the same work. Maternity Benefit Act, 1961, provides for paid maternity leave and job security during pregnancy. Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act, 2013, ensures a safe and respectful working environment. Property and Inheritance Rights. The Hindu Succession Act, 1956, grants women equal rights to inherit property. Microfinance and SHGs. Various schemes provide women with financial resources to support entrepreneurship and self-employment. 4. Social and cultural rights. Social and cultural rights are aimed at ensuring women's full participation in society, free from discrimination or marginalization. Right to education. The Right to Education Act, 2009 guarantees free and compulsory education for girls aged 6 to 14, promoting literacy and knowledge among women. Protection from domestic violence. The Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act, 2005 safeguards women from physical, mental, and emotional abuse within the family. Right to marry and divorce. Women have the right to choose their partners and to divorce in cases of an unhappy or unsafe marriage. Laws like the Hindu Marriage Act, 1955 and the Muslim Women Protection of Rights on Divorce Act, 1986 provide a legal framework for marriage and divorce. Protection against child marriage. The Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, 2006 bans child marriage and offers protection against early marriage practices. Cultural freedom. Women have the right to practice their religion, dress as per their cultural traditions, and participate in cultural practices. Right to protect honor and dignity. Laws like the Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act, 1986 and Immoral Traffic Prevention Act, 1956 protect women from exploitation, including trafficking and objectification in media. Participation in social and cultural activities. Women are entitled to equal participation in cultural, social, and religious events, free from discrimination or exclusion. 5. Political rights. Political rights provide women with the means to participate actively in the political process. Right to vote. Women have the right to vote in elections at all levels, ensuring equal participation in democracy. Reservation in local governance. The 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments provide for 1/3 reservation for women in panchayats and municipalities, promoting their active role in governance. Right to contest elections. Women have the right to run for political office, and several women have held positions of influence, including as the President and Prime Minister of India. 6. Reproductive rights. Reproductive rights ensure that women have control over decisions related to their health and bodies. Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act, 1971, provides for legal access to abortion services under specific conditions. Preconception and Prenatal Diagnostic Techniques Act, 1994, prohibits sex-selective abortion and promotes gender equality by safeguarding female fetuses. Access to family planning. The government promotes family planning and access to contraceptives, enabling women to make informed reproductive choices. Surrogacy Regulation Act, 2021, regulates surrogacy practices in India to protect women from . Conclusion. Women's rights in India encompass a broad spectrum of protections and freedoms, ensuring that women are treated equally in all spheres of life, from education and employment to personal and political participation. However, despite these legal guarantees, challenges remain in achieving full realization of these rights. Continuous efforts are needed to bridge the gap between law and practice, ensuring that women across the country can live with dignity, equality, and empowerment.